Hi, I'm Anna from Weekdone and I'm here to answer your questions about OKRs. If you're moving from spreadsheets, Google Docs, or Notion pages to a dedicated software, this video is for you. One reason why you're moving to a dedicated tool is because it became overwhelming, cluttered, or unreadable to track anything in a document. You may not be able to find things, struggling to get a big picture overview, or simply want a dashboard to see when something is off track. All of this will be solved when you start using Weekdone for OKRs and weekly check-ins. So how do you populate your existing data in a new tool? There are three big areas that sometimes get mixed up together when you are setting goals in a document. These areas are key performance indicators or metrics for monitoring ongoing performance, company objectives or overarching objectives to set a direction for the organization, team OKRs to specify improvement areas for each functional teams, and initiatives to define what each team is going to do to impact their OKRs. So you need to take a look at the list of your goals that you have in the document critically and understand what each goal on that list really is. It should be easy to spot numbers on your list, different high-level metrics that you monitor every week, month, or quarter. Those are likely company or team-level key performance indicators. Revenue, number of clients, website traffic, churn. Enter financial KPIs at the company level and functional KPIs at the relevant team level. Website traffic, for example, goes to marketing. New clients KPI goes to sales. Now, what are your big company-wide strategic goals? Look at your list again and group related high-level goals into themes. You might end up having annual themes and quarterly themes. These will be used to form your company-level objectives, annual and quarterly. If it's a big problem that several teams will be solving, it is a company objective. The only thing you need to decide now is whether it's annual or quarterly. If it's annual, you will need to define the quarterly objectives at the company level that would clarify what the focus is for each quarter. If you have big, lofty visionary statements on your list, add them as a comment to your annual or quarterly objective. Visionary statements are not objectives. Their job is to motivate and explain, while actual objectives should focus your effort and drive specific action. As you're analyzing your list, try to narrow things down so that you have no more than 3 company-level objectives. So now that you have your KPIs and company-level objectives out of the way, the only remaining goals on your existing list would be the foundation for building team OKRs. Don't add team OKRs for everyone, even if you are the one setting up the account. Team managers of each team should add their OKRs themselves. They can do it by consulting the same document and following the OKR best practices. Once team OKRs are set, the team members can add related initiatives and weekly plans. Each team can also decide if their OKRs should be linked up to a company objective or not. If you end up with a company objective with no supporting team OKRs, it's a good chance to have a strategic discussion about the company direction and the role of each team in making good things happen. Rolling out OKRs is simpler than it sounds because you actually learn mostly by doing. If you need any help, feel free to contact Weekdone support and we will guide you every step of the way. I hope this helps, but let us know if you have any questions.